If you know that those lights are as tall as these lights,
Yes, it's Fittest Flat Earther once again. Let's start this dumpster fire.
those are as tall as these, and that those clouds are as high as these clouds.
And where is he going with this? Wait.
And again, those clouds are as high as these clouds. Then why do you struggle so hard when you know that these clouds are not actually touching the water to know that the sun is not actually that low as well?
Oh dear, nobody is claiming that the sun is low in reality close to the sea. It's the same with the clouds and with the sun. They are disappearing over the horizon, exactly as ships disappear over the horizon. Oh dear.
What you're going to see in a second here is that the sun just gets lower and lower and lower because it's getting further and further away, and over distance, atmosphere compounds and it creates a lens.
The atmosphere is creating a lens. Any evidence for that one?
So now, keep this in mind again. You know that those lights there are as high as these lights. Now, when we bring in a magnifying glass to simulate what the lensing effect of the atmosphere does, compounded over miles and miles and miles.
And what proofs do you have that the atmosphere is like a magnifying glass? None, of course.
We see that the boat isn't going behind a curve, aka the sun isn't going behind a curve. It's just going further and further away, and the lensing makes it impossible to see. But then when you remove the lens, or if we could remove the atmosphere, we see the object is still there.
This is pure nonsense, this magical lensing in the atmosphere. Do you have any proofs for that?
Not behind a curve. And when you get the right conditions on a very dry and low humidity day, you can zoom right in and you can see that it's not behind the curve.
The sun is always disappearing over the horizon. It have nothing to do with humanity. In that case, where are the videos where the sun is not disappearing?
Whatsoever. So next time you see what you think is the sun setting behind the curve, ask yourself, why are the clouds just as low as the sun? Is there a lot of humidity that day? What else could be going on here?
You can see clouds over the horizon or close to the horizon every damn day of the year. The same goes for the sun.
Of course, this is for entertainment. I know that we're on.
Yes, your videos are for entertaining because no one can believe your nonsense. No sensible person can believe your nonsense.
The ball spinning 1,000 miles per hour. Entertainment only. And I'm going to keep telling you guys, if you want more information about this topic, go to that website or go to the App Store and get it.
So, he promoting David Weiss's stupid app. That's a scam. It's a scam app. He's earning money on spreading garbage.
I'm telling you, it's going to answer any question you have.
No, it don't answer any questions at all. It's only manifest the stupidity that flat earth is.
That I haven't already answered, and use my code, and have an awesome day.
So, he is getting money for promoting David Weiss's stupid app. One funny thing, if you look at him, It looks like he uses a beauty filter when he's recording his videos. CDI. Now I will have a look at the claims about the sun over to a bigger screen so you don't have to see me. The sun is in many ways a problem for flat earther. You have the 24-hour sun, but also how seasons works and so on. He's claiming that it's perspective and lensing some kind of magic effect, but the sun don't work on the flat pizza. This is Lofoten, Norway, located north of the Arctic Circle. Today the sun rises 90 degrees east and sets 27 degrees west. Let's look on the so-called flat earth map. And it's located up here. So today the sun is rotating down here around the equator. And in the middle of the summer it rotates around this dotted line. From the 25th of May to 18th of July the sun is up 24/7. But it have the same size all the time. Wonder why? But it gets worse. Let's look at 4 locations in the southern hemisphere in December. Those locations. Let's look at the sun at those locations at the 18th of December. This is how the sun shines at 8:20 UTC. All 4 places can see the sun at the same time. Let's look on the flat earth map again. The sun is rotating here and all those 4 locations can see the sun at the same time and the sun have the same size. And at the same time the northern parts of the world can't see the sun at all. This wouldn't work on a flat earth and it wouldn't work with the small and local sun.
Destroy.
Okay, that was all I had for you today. Hope you liked your video. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.